Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. Guys, if you are new to YouTube, you do not know how to subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you. Simply search for a channel which you want to subscribe. For example, I search for Breaking News TV. Now here you can see that subscribe option is available. You can subscribe by clicking on this option. But I open this channel and subscribe from this button. Now press subscribe. And so guys, if you want to get notification from the new videos of this channel, simply click on bell icon. And here press on all. So you will receive the notification if this channel upload any new video. You can also turn off notification by selecting none option. So this is a simple way to subscribe YouTube channels. So if you want to unsubscribe channel again, simply search for YouTube and now here your subscription option. If you want to unsubscribe this channel, simply open it. Now press subscribed option. Now here is the option of unsubscribe from Breaking News TV. Press unsubscribe. So channel subscription removed. So guys, this is the simple way to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope this video helped to solve your problem of how to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.